Hey, listen, this is for all the men and women, especially women, okay, that are losing hope as it relates to manifesting your dreams, okay? And I get it. Listen, I've been there. I'm 45 years old, and I spent a long time trying to understand how to manifest the life that I have here now. And I just did one thing, oh my God, and I didn't do something, I subtracted something. And listen, I read all these books. Yeah, they're not just for show, but that didn't necessarily work. I did write down on your journal, put your vision boards up. I did all that stuff, okay? But let me show you this one thing that I stopped doing, which allowed me to manifest on autopilot, okay? Check it out. But here's the problem. I want you to look at something. You see this? This is my place. Now, pay attention. If I go to the furniture store and I want to buy new furniture, I want to replace this and replace the light fixture and replace the chairs, okay? And if I buy new furniture, pay attention, if I bring the new furniture in with this old furniture, will it look nice? Okay? Like if you come to my house, if you come to my house and you see my new furniture and old furniture side by side, what would you say? Why would you do that? That looks cluttered, Wes. I like the new furniture, but it looks cluttered. It looks messy. The point is, it won't look nice, okay? Listen to me. If you want to manifest easier and faster, you must delete the crap that has been stuck in your mind for the last 10, 20, 30 years of your life, okay? I have to remove this old furniture first before I can invite new furniture, okay? The new furniture is there. It looks nice. But with the old furniture, it looks cluttered and confused. That's why you're confused about your life, about your dreams, about everything. Some of you are like, I'm too old. Some of you are like, I wish I had more time. You're like, I don't know if I can do that. Well, I've tried everything. These are limiting beliefs that must be deleted first. How do you do that? Come here. In the comments below, I have a script I want to give you. I want you to play this script tonight. The script does this. It's not magical. But what it does is it begins to delete every limiting belief and every limiting thought from your mind. And I'm sure that you will agree, if you are able to get rid of the noise that is in your mind, that is keeping you up at night, when you want to manifest and bring things into your life, love, joy, happiness, it happens like this. It changed my entire life. Now I'm happy to give this gift to you. Click learn more, try it, come back here. Tell me how good you feel tomorrow once you wake up after playing the script tonight.